I'm reteaching a math lesson on telling time on an analog clock with first graders.
From 12 to 1 is how many minutes? Okay? From 12 to 1, how many minutes are in between? How many?
5.
5 minutes in between. Okay? What are these little lines called? In between these numbers.
Minutes.
What are these little lines called?
Minutes.
Minutes. These little lines are called minutes. Okay? Now, this longhand is called
The hour.
No.
The minute hand.
the minute hand. Listen now, the long hand. The long hand is called the what?
Minute hand.
The minute hand. And the short hand is called the
Hour
hand. Jackson, what is this short hand called? Hour hand. What about this long hand? What is this called? This called. You only have 2 hands on a clock. One is an hour, and the other one is Jada, a minute hand. So Jackson, say minute.
Minute.
Very good, minute. Jackson, point to the minute hand. Good. Point to the hour hand. Very good. Could you point to the little minutes in between the big numbers? Like, for instance, number 1 and number 2. Where are those little lines in between 1 and 2? Can you point to those little lines? Nope. Not here and here, but where? Right here. Okay, these little lines. Each line is called what? Same. What is it? A minute. Very good. Each of these little lines are called minutes. Very good. Jackson, hands in your lap. Okay, here we go. Now, you guys already know if I'm here, if my hour hand is here, then my minute hand is here. What time is it?
12.
It's 12 what?
O'clock.
12 o'clock, right? 12 o'clock. Well, just look closely, okay? Now, we're going to tell time to the half hour, okay? Now, if you come here to the 6, now, 6 also means what?
30.
It means what? 30. Very good, Adrian. 6 means 30, okay? Right here, what we say, you see how right here, we're at the 3, okay? Right now it says 3 o'clock, right? Now this is the whole hour. This is the whole hour. And if I go all the way around one time, that is what? If I go all the way around, is what?
1 hour.
Not 1 hour.
1 minute.
Well, yes, it is 1 hour. It is 1 hour. If I go all the way around one time, that is what? 60 minutes, which is 1 hour. Very good. Very good, Adrian. 60 minutes equals 1 hour. Okay? Or 1 hour equals 60 minutes. Very good. Excellent, guys. Okay. Now, I'm going to move my hand. So we can. Okay, 12 o'clock. There we go. Okay? I'm going to move my hand here. What time is it now?
6:30.
What time is it, Sanaya?
6:30.
It's not 6:30, Sanaya. You have to look at the hour hand. Give me just a moment, Jada. Sanaya, you have to look at the hour hand. You have to look at the hour hand first. Okay? Now, which one is the hour hand? Which one is the hour hand? Okay? If that's the hour hand and it is pointing to that number, then you have to say that number first. And then this number goes second. Okay? Now, you know that's 30, right? But is that saying 6:30? Is 6 over here? No. So what number is here? 3. So then what's our answer?
30.
Huh?
30.
What about 30? Say it all together.
30.
Huh?
30.
Good. 3:30. You always have to look at your minute hand. You have to look at your hour hand first, okay? Sanaya, when someone says, Sanaya, what time is it right now? You look at that short hand. You hear me, Jackson? You look at that short hand first. You see what that short hand is pointing to. And then you look at the minute hand, okay? And you look at that short hand